Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna talk about how to create AI logo using Canva. So the first thing you need to do is take inspirations of the logo you want to create. For example, let's say we're gonna create a coffee shop logo. Then let's go to Pinterest first. You go to Pinterest and then you log in. After you log in, you search here for coffee shop logos and you search in the Google as well, coffee shop logos. Now let's take inspirations first, right? Let's say I like this one. So you can save the image and then I like this one. Really artistic logos. Let's say what Google is giving us. Coffee shop logo. Let's add aesthetic coffee shop logos. This one looks really nice. Really creative design. Okay, so we have some inspirations now. Let's browse in Pinterest for a little more. Okay, so you have 2 or 3 inspirations now. Now let's go to Gemini or ChatGPT. You can use any AI you want. I'm using Gemini. So give Gemini the logos you just picked. And ask Gemini to give you the prompt. So tell Gemini that I want to generate these kinda logos with Canva AI. Give me the perfect prompt. So Gemini is gonna give you the prompt. Meanwhile, go to Canva. Select anything you want from the template, just anything, just random template. For example, this one. Press customize this template, click on it and click Ctrl A and delete everything. Now let's select the color palette, right? The colors you want your logos to be. So we're just gonna add one shape. So let's go to elements and add a shape. Let's click circle. So here is a circle. Now let's select colors, right? So I want my logo to be dark, really bluish, maybe yes, this one. This is the color, and I want this to be grayish, somewhere between light gray. Yes, something like this. So I want my logo's color to be gray and blue. So I know the color now, and Gemini has given the prompt: a minimalistic flat vector logo with a coffee shop with clean font. Okay, so Gemini has given 3 prompts. Now let's go to Canva and let's go to Canva AI from here. Select design, select logo from here, and now paste the prompt. Let's say we paste the first prompt, right? And we say use background color. So go here and click on the background, click on the color, and you will see a code here. So Control C, copy this one and paste this one here. Say any other element. Now copy the color of this circle again, select it, and then paste this code. Now hit enter. So as you can see, Canva AI has given me 4 alternatives. All of them seems really nice. Let's look at the inspirational pictures first. They used the name Nior as I didn't mention the name. This one was my inspiration, and this one was what Canva has provided me. This one, and there are 2 other as well. As you can see, all of them are kinda nice, but Canva is not following the colors I mentioned. Now if you do the same thing with Gemini, right, you go to Gemini and you tell, let's say we pick the second prompt, give the prompt, and we select the same colors. Color code, saying the name. Let's say I customize my name, coffee. This time again they have not used the specific color code I've suggested, and the second time they didn't match the inspiration at all, but they did have some good results this time. Let's say this one is really minimalistic, and you can also edit this one, like any of it. Let's say if you select this one and use Canva editor, you will be redirected to the editor, and you can use all of these elements. You can change the text, change this element, and then change the font. Everything you want to change, you can change it. So if Canva AI is not selecting the right colors, you can just, again, the first I've mentioned that select the colors. So you can just come here and you can just choose the colors you have selected and paste it here. Go to colors, just paste the code, and then for these ones you can just copy the color and paste it here. And I think you cannot change the color of this element. So as you can see, Canva AI didn't follow the specific color code I suggested, and nor you can change the color of the element in the after you export it from the Canva AI. So yeah, that was the video for today. I'm gonna make more videos about logos and Canva AI. Stay tuned till then.